guys, we're starting chapter 6. So today we're going to be talking about functions, relations, and ordered pairs, coordinates. So I'm just going to start by telling you that when you have a graph, we're going to be needing graph paper, so make sure you have graph paper today. Okay, when you have a graph, these two things are called axes, and one of them is called an axis. So what you want to remember is all the time that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And this is called the origin, and this is 0, 0, okay? Each one of these has a different sign depending on which quadrant you're in, okay? So right here, if on x, if this is 0, 0, that means that every number up here is positive, and then because that's 0, every number down here is negative. Okay, so you have your positives and then your negatives. X is always the first number in an ordered pair. An ordered pair looks like this, okay? You have your X and your Y. So if I said X was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would put my 5 in the first spot because X is always in the first spot. So my X on this side is going to be positive. So if I had an ordered pair on either here or here, it's going to be positive. My x on this side is going to be negative, okay? Because you can see anything past here is positive, anything past here is negative. So this is called the x-axis. This is called the y-axis. Oops. Okay. When I go up, what do you think that is? Do you think up is positive or negative? Well, hopefully you said positive. So everything above the x-axis is positive, and everything below the x-axis is negative, okay? So if I asked you to graph the ordered pair of 5, 6, that means you would go, your x is positive, so you're going to go that way. Your y is positive, you'll go that way. So you're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'd put a dot there, and you could label that 5, 6, okay? I'm going to erase these. Oh, I forgot when it's cold in here, things don't erase. So I guess I'm not going to erase it. Okay, now let's say I said -3, -2. That means going this way and going down. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and you're going to put a dot there. And then you would label that -3, -2. We're also going to be talking about relations. I just want to make sure I give you the book definition of relation. A relation is any set of ordered pairs. So you could have a whole set of ordered pairs, 1, 3, -1, 2, 2, 7, okay? This is a set of ordered pairs, so that's a relation. You could also have it in a circle. Let me just make sure I do it the way the book does it. All of the first numbers are called the domain, and the second numbers are called the range. So if my domain is, I'm going to put them in order of lowest to highest, -1, 1, and 2. My range would be 2, 3, and 7. Now if I'm going to figure out which one -1 goes with, well, -1 goes with 2. 1 goes with 3. Just so happens that they're lined up the way they are, like lowest to highest. They're lined up with each other. I guess I put all the low ones together. Let me do another one to make it a little different. -2, -2, 5, -3, -1, and 4, -8. So then if I had my domain and my range, domain is here, range is here. My domain from lowest to highest is -3, -2, 4. And my range is going to be -8, -1, and 5. -2 goes with 5, so then I go down there. -3 goes with -1, right there, and then 4 goes with -8. Okay, so all that said, what we're going to learn is that what a function is. And basically a function is a relation that doesn't repeat its x coordinate. So in other words, if you're trying to figure out if this is a function or not, let's say it has 1, 3, let's say the set of ordered pairs, the relation, because a relation is a set of ordered pairs. So let's say it's 1, 3.